Welcome to CJ's bearing lines, lot bearing lines, and what have you. Here it is. 1-1. I'm just going to draw. I'm not sure if this is a CAD box. Let's see. So it might do with the old rectangular box. And so I think what this is a lot right here. And I think CJ wants to show the lot lines and the lengths and what have you. So all he does is go over here, show length and show angle. And I think someone was saying that you have to have a start point and an end point. I'm not quite sure I understand that yet. But anyway, so I just drew a box where I go WA, bump, 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 bump. And there I got a piece of property right there. And I can go ahead and and I can select this and I go line style and show length and show angle. And so now CJ is complaining about, well, he doesn't like the, oh, ain't that interesting? This shows bearings. Look at that. That shows bear. Oh, well, this does too. This shows bearings too. No matter how I did it, it shows bearings. And if I take a north arrow, and I think the program assumes north as north, straight up. So if I come over here and go north pointer, and nothing's going to change. Watch that. Nothing changes. Now watch the bearings over here. If I spin this around a little bit, I think the bearings will change. Yeah, they change. You see that they change. But now CJ says he wants to see probably decimal points and stuff. I guess I don't know what he wants to show. The line style. No, here 1-1. It's my right here CAD. This is where he changes, and this only works for these boxes, I think, or any boxes, any lines that have a length to it and a bearing to it. And so now I'm going to change it to azimuth. Well, I'll change it to minutes and seconds. Look at this. Now it's at degrees. Okay. If I open it up, if I edit this again, now if I change it to that's minutes and seconds. Yeah, that shows minutes and seconds. This just shows minutes, I guess. Oh yeah, I guess it rounds. I guess it gets rid of the seconds. It sort of rounds it off, I guess. Here's and then this is just degrees. It's not even going to show the minutes anymore. Look at. Oh, it shows them in decimal form. Now it's showing it in decimal form. Check that out. Okay, look, they're all in the angles are in decimal forms. They're not in the degrees are in decimal forms and not in minutes and seconds. I don't know why you wouldn't stick with minutes and seconds. Oh, but now but really you really want to have these. I don't think it's quadrant bearings. Yeah, quadrant bearings. Now you're looking at northwest, east, south. You know these bearings, and that's what we typically use. Edit azimuth bearings. It's not azimuth bearings. Yeah, azimuth is who uses this. I mean, I could explain this to you if I wanted to, but I don't want to because I don't want to. Does that make sense to you? Azimuth. Well, I don't know. I don't even know why it's. I don't know where the zero angle is at these. But who uses that? I use quadrant bearings. That's what everybody wants. Quadrant bearings, and so it's showing northwest, south, and east. Oh, but wait a second. But now CJ says he wants he wants to. How do you display the here? Look, how do you display? You want this in feet with decimal places of 2. Look at this. Look right here. 19.84 feet. Look down here. 19 point. So I think I explained to CJ what he wants. And if I can just go on a second further, let's see. Define. Why would you ever use? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay. Now this is the weakness of this thing, and I use this a couple times, but not really. And suppose you want a dimension WA. Suppose you want to dimension the distance from the edge of the toilet to the wall in front of it. You know, everybody knows we have to do that sometimes, or some of us know we have to do that. Arrow at both ends. And so now I just got a line right here. But now on this line, I really want to go ahead and line style. I want to go ahead and show the length. And now I can show the length. Here's the problem. I don't want to show that in feet. I mean, in decimal feet. I want to show that in feet and inches. But if I want to show that in feet and inches, line style, I can't change the format to feet and inches. Because if I change the format in feet and inches, and the only way to change that is right here in CAD, default settings, by the way, default settings, general CAD. If I change this to feet and inches, feet and inches, and smallest fraction is 1/16 of an inch. I guess I don't care. Done. There, 9 and but what happens is for your site plan, you get feet and inches again. So the problem here is you on your floor plan, you might use this. I mean, you could, but anyway, you're not going to ever use it on the floor plan because if you want to use this methodology for your site plan, which I think makes a lot of sense, you're not going to get really the decimal accuracy or whatever that most of us want defined. So you're going to define this as feet, and you're going to define it as not smallest fraction, but decimal places. We want decimal places to 2 because that's how site plans are done, right? So what's the poop, huh? Done. Yeah. This took me a long time to kind of get the gist of this stupid thing. And just as a comment, as a side note, I don't use this very often. I just end up just putting my number 16.08 because it's not going to change. If I have a lot, it's not going to change. I just put that number in there because not 75% of the time I don't have everything to the fullest accuracy, or it's just not. It's more trouble than it's worth. But anyway, I think I might have answered CJ's question, and that's the end. That is the end.